Hello guys, hi, how are you? This is Wasim and you are watching Fitness Addicted Pro. Today I bring one of most exciting topic, top 8 weight loss apps which can help you to reduce your weight. So without further ado, let's start the video. Today I bring an amazing topic, top 8 weight loss apps which help you to reduce your weight very quickly and also give you notification about everything what you are doing. So let's start from the beginning. Your first app is Ideal Weight. Ideal Weight is an amazing application which I use when I was losing my weight. It really awesome application. It really help you to calculate your BMI. It really help you to stick with your weight loss goal. It have a too much database of food so you can manage this other stuff, so it's amazing app. Our second app is MyFitnessPal. MyFitnessPal is one of the exciting app which I use across 2020 to lose my weight. It have a huge database and it also let us know what kind of calories we are taking, how much bunch of calories we are taking, everything that app tell us about anything. So I am really motivated from that app. If you are going to use to maintain your calorie limits and everything, whatever you are eating every day, you can store the in a database. So it's amazing. I will suggest to you to use it. Number 3 is Lose It. Lose It also is one of the amazing app. It's also similar to MyFitnessPal and Ideal Weight, but the best part of the Lose It is it will stick you to your weight loss goal. It will keep you motivated. It will send you notification. It will also let you know the success stories of other people, how people are moving, how things are going on and everything. Also our fourth app is Weight Watcher. WW. It's also an amazing application. I really like it. It's also similar to somehow Lose It and MyFitnessPal, but the Weight Watcher also notice if you are taking too much calories, your weight is increasing. It keeps sending you notifications so you reduce your calorie budget, and also it will be nice and also help you to don't take too much food so you weight in a positive manner. Okay, so our fifth app is Starva. Starva is a running app, you can say exercise app. It help you to prompt notification to do everyday exercise. Let's suppose every day 4:30 p.m. I do exercise. So if I sometime I don't go for exercise, Starva send me notification. Wasim, your friend is doing exercise. What you are doing? Why you are wasting your time in some other activities? So Starva is amazing app which keep you on the track, send you notifications, send you more newsletters, so you are on your track, on your goals. So your fifth app is Starva, which is also amazing. Our sixth app is Home Workout. Home Workout is also an amazing application. Home Workout have bunch of workouts which I usually follow at home. It's really awesome, and also let me know which home workout I can do in a very small space, like crunches, like planks, push-ups, and also in home workout they tell us what are the correct ways to do these kind of workout. So it's also amazing app. So I will suggest you to download in your mobile to lose your weight, to stick on your track. Our seventh app is Nike Training Club. It's also an amazing. There are a bunch of people over there and they have an amazing experience of weight loss. They can share their techniques and we also share our techniques. So it's also kind of a community app. You can say regarding exercises, they also tell us the exercise, and it's also can be configured with your Nike band, so you can track your calories and whatever you want. Okay, after that our app number 8 is Fit-On Workout and Fitness Plan. So Fit-On Workout and Fitness Plan is basically an app which help you out to make your plans regarding your workout, how you are doing exercise and different kind of activities. So this is also an amazing app if you are going. There are also a bunch of apps available on the internet where you can, but these are the gem of the apps. That 8 app will really help you in the weight loss. Why I choose these apps and bring for you guys? Because I use it in whole 2020. That's why I have a realistic experience with these apps, and this will help you out in your weight loss journey really. So let me quickly recap all the apps so you can easily download it whenever you want. You can easily download it from Android or App Store, or even they are available on Windows Phone. So don't worry about that. Your first app is Ideal Weight. Your second app is MyFitnessPal. Your third app is Lose It. Your fourth app is Weight Watcher. Your fifth app is Strava for running. Your sixth app is Home Workout, how to do workout at home. Your seventh app is Nike Training Club. Your eighth app is Fitness Workout Fitness Plan. Okay. So these are eight apps which will help you to lose your weight. Even you can, if you are a Samsung user, you can find S Health. But I will suggest to use these apps because I use it and I feel really difference in my body after using these activities and these plans. So I hope you will like it. I will put all the app description, all the app link in the description. Also, if you want to follow my weight loss journey, you can see the I button and you will see my weight loss journey. And I'm really thankful to you guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.